Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be comparing the V1.1 mini to the V1.1 full-size slider. And yeah, we just did an unboxing for this thing in the last video. The V1.1 mini. If you guys want to check out that video, it'll be right here. So yeah, and then we're going to be comparing it to the full-size V1.1. So yeah, here we go. Here you guys go on the size comparison. I'll lay them out like this. Actually, let me close them first. There you go. Smaller, definitely smaller. So what Poop told me, this is the exact same size as the V3 slider. So if you have a V3, you will know what the size of this is in person. But yeah, let's check out the weight difference between these. Here we go. All right. So the original, the full size is 64.7 grams. And the new one is 55.19 grams. So about almost 10 gram difference between these things. Trying to play with both of them to see what's what and how they are. I'm gonna go ahead and play with these things for a while. Gonna see what they're like. So this thing definitely has a higher pitch click than this. It's a lot deeper. Here, actually, I'm gonna go ahead and do the sound test actually. So there you go. On the up slide, 90, 86 on the side, 77 on the slide back, and then 82 on the click down. Depending on how fast you push it out, it's between 77 and 90 on the slide click. So that's that for the V1.1 mini, and the original is 87, 81, popped out, god damn, come on, wait, keep turning off. So 82, so 80 on these sides, on these side opens. So yeah, these side opens are a lot quieter than this. I don't know, man. They're both different, and then they're both really good. I don't know, but I feel like I would be in a mood to play with the bigger size, and then I would be in a mood to play with the smaller size. Maybe when I'm going out and I don't want something too big, but then just something simple I can do some tricks with, and that won't fly out of my hands. This is probably the one. And then when I'm at home at my desk, probably this one for sure. But if I only have to choose one of these, I think it would be the bigger size. I don't know why. That's just what I would get. I guess the clicks aren't as high pitch. That's not always a bad thing. You can always make them slide quietly. Put some tape on this thing. So yeah, man, I don't know, man. I love them both like almost equally. I was really happy that the same pattern as this was available for this one. Actually, I'll be getting a V3 in the exact same pattern as this, so that it matches everything. Cannot wait to have all these three just lined up perfectly together. Again, if you guys want to get one of these for yourself, your best luck to do so is down below in the Facebook link that I'll leave. It's for the Compoform group. Plug Jones helps Ivan run like these pre-orders where you guys can get in and then you pre-order them. You get them in about a month or like 15-20 days. So yeah, he makes them in Russia and then he sends them over to Plug, and then Plug sends them to the people who bought them. So yeah, really cool dude. Ivan is a really great maker. So yeah, definitely check them out. Again, I'll leave the link down below for the group. But yeah, I think that'll be all for this video. If I don't have anything else to say about them, I recommend them both. Oh, I guess I'll do a comparison between the plates. Forgot to do that. So here's the post plate. Looks the exact same. This also looks the same, but mine I think just worn down from over time. But maybe this is thicker and wasn't as thick. So yeah, maybe it made this thing thicker. And then here are the plates. The biggest difference, I think, these are straight lines, as where these are like wiggly lines, wavy. So yeah. And again, the quality is like amazing. Like you don't see any wear basically. I've been using this thing for like months, almost every single day. Surprisingly, I have not dropped this thing at all. Like the V1.1, I've never dropped. I don't know why. Hopefully I won't drop it at all. But yeah, I will say the V1.1 is by far my favorite track slider I've tried and have. And yeah, I think if you guys are really interested in these, they are still gonna do one more pre-order for these, and then after that it's done for quite a while, I believe. And then next to them the V3 and then the V1.1 original size. So yeah, check them out down below, follow them. There's a lot of people posting their stuff on the group, sharing their new finds or purchases for Compoform products. And yeah, it's pretty cool to see that. But yeah, that'll be all for this video, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, turn on the bell notifications, and see you guys in the next video.